Hi.
Hey guys, so today we have some candy to check out.
Candy.
Thank you so much to Radz for sending us these free products.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we have some of the Radz Foamz Spongebob Squarepants candy and dispensers. So they're cool squishy-like dispensers.
Yes.
We also have the Trolls Twistz candy dispensers. And we also have the Spongebob Twistz as well. So what do you guys want to open first?
Sponge.
You're going to open the foams, and Michael, you're going to open the twists.
It's like a secret character.
Oh, cool.
Give me that. No, I didn't get that.
So the foams includes a foams dispenser, Radz candy, and a mini poster.
Oh, this one's a limited edition because it says like limited edition on the bottom.
Oh, cool.
So, yeah. Where's that one? Oh, I can just... you can just put them in here and just store them for later.
Now the twist also includes a Radz dispenser, Radz candy, and mini poster.
Oop! I just cut it. And then you just pour it in like popcorn. There you go. Squish.
Oh, look how cool.
Squish.
Neat.
Now I get to try the candy because they says their flavors: orange ocean, pineapple, strawberry. Wow. What do we got here? Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna open the other ones here to forget, like character-wise. So
Michael, go on.
Oh yeah, here's my finger.
You got so distracted. You were enjoying the candy. You forgot about the dispenser.
Here it is.
That's really cute.
this one's also limited edition.
Oh, really? Neat.
So, what's the red taste like?
Here he is.
Oh, look at that.
He's a square.
Very cool.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Great, I dropped the limited edition one.
Oh, no.
I got the glasses. And if you look on the back, under his name is limited
Oh,
edition
that's
too.
cool. You guys got some good ones so far.
There's also a limited edition in this one, and then there's a secret character, so.
Alright, time to start opening.
Well, good thing is, got the one I wanted, he's sparkly and stuff.
Aww.
I got the same one.
Woo! Ta-da!
Very cool. Oh. Oh, well, look at that. That's adorable. Those are different flavors. Cool.
They are.
I didn't realize that.
How are they?
Red probably being the best. Here it is.
Cool.
Next one.
Oh, right.
What a surprise! Same figure.
No way. You got four of the same? Oh, that's so funny. You got quadruplets here, guys.
I'm just saying it's the same.
It's gonna be the same, yeah.
No.
Oh, it's cute. So, guys, do you have a favorite from the Radz candy dispensers?
The
twins.
The twins.
Quadruplets.
And the squishy ones are super adorable. I love that they're squishy. That's really cool.
And did you notice we have like the same stuff, but like
Oh, yeah. That's so cool.
Wait, does that one have glasses? No.
no, but it's like, hey, we're just better than you.
That's cool. Also, guys, we have some extras of these that we are going to open on TikTok, so stay tuned. Thank you again to Radz for sending us these free products.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll see you
Bye,
guys.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.